Gearheads, adventurers, and off-road enthusiasts, buckle up. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota Land Hopper, a brand new entry in the compact off-road SUV segment. Exterior design, rugged and ready. The Land Hopper boasts a rugged design DNA directly inspired by its legendary sibling, the Land Cruiser. Imagine a bold, boxy silhouette with muscular lines, sculpted fenders, and a prominent front grille. LED headlights and taillights add a touch of modern sophistication, while the high ground clearance and chunky tires whisper adventures waiting to be had. Interior design, function over form. Step inside the Land Hopper and prepare for a no-nonsense, functional interior design for adventurers. It prioritizes practicality and durability over luxury, with water-resistant seats, easily cleanable surfaces, and ample storage space for your gear. The dashboard features a minimalist layout with physical controls for key functions and a central touchscreen infotainment system. The focus is on providing you with the tools and information you need to navigate the toughest terrains. Performance and powertrain options. The Land Hopper will likely be offered with a choice of two engines. 2.5-liter four-cylinder. This fuel-efficient option is expected to deliver around 200 horsepower and torque optimized for low-end crawling, ideal for navigating technical trails. Hybrid powertrain. Combining a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors, this option promises improved fuel economy and additional low-end torque for more challenging adventures. Both engines will be paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and a choice of manual or automatic transmissions. Additionally, the Land Hopper is rumored to offer a variety of selectable drive modes for different terrains, including mud, sand, and rock crawling. Off-road prowess. Built to conquer. The Land Hopper is designed to be a true off-road champion. It will likely boast features like high ground clearance, providing ample space for navigating obstacles and rough terrain. Short overhangs, improving approach and departure angles for tackling steep inclines and declines. Underbody armor, protecting vital components from damage while traversing rough terrain. Locking differentials, increasing traction and control in challenging off-road situations. Advanced suspension, providing superior ride quality and handling both on and off-road. These features, combined with Toyota's legendary reliability and reputation for off-road prowess, make the Land Hopper a force to be reckoned with in the wilderness. Technology and safety, keeping you connected and secure. While the Land Hopper prioritizes off-road capability, it won't compromise on technology and safety. It is expected to feature infotainment system, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation, keeping you connected and informed on your adventures. Driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, enhancing safety and awareness on the road. Advanced safety features, such as a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind on every journey. Trim levels and pricing. The Land Hopper is likely to be offered in several trim levels, ranging from base models with essential features to higher spec options with additional off-road enhancements and creature comforts. Pricing is expected to start around $30,000 for the base model and reach upwards of $40,000 for the top-of-the-line trim. A new off-road champion. The 2025 Toyota Land Hopper is poised to shake up the compact off-road SUV segment. It offers a potent combination of rugged capability, modern technology, and competitive pricing, making it an ideal choice for adventurous souls seeking a vehicle that can conquer any terrain and take them on unforgettable journeys. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Toyota Land Hopper. We encourage you to continue researching this exciting new vehicle and consider its potential to be your next off-road companion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews and automotive content.